today's lesson on Suburban Sasquatch is how to use a pickaxe. And I don't know, I'm using a pickaxe to pick out a lot of the dirt and stuff in here, in between the roots. This is my kind of fire pit, and that's kind of the damage we got to the root ball. It is charring in there. And I guess this is a more familiar view. So you got your pick part of your pickaxe, and you got your spade part of your pickaxe. And this part is usually good for busting stuff loose, and this is good for usually scooping out the dirt. And usually after every burn, you pick out your coals, and you try to remove as much loose soil as you can, because the soil doesn't really combust and it blocks the air, which does stop this here root ball from burning. So it's pretty important you take a little bit of time in between the burns to break the soil loose, so you get a good complete burn of your root ball. See how loose this is. Oh, not that loose. Okay. And then you take all this non-combustible stuff out of the bottom of your fire pit and throw it somewhere else. And this way you kind of ensure that, as much of that root ball is exposed as possible and it's continuing to burn. And this is a lesson on how you use simple hand tools to burn out a root ball. Always wear eye protection for this part. Say hello to my little friend. All right. So now, after the dust storm is cleared, you can see there's all of this wood that has been exposed. And that's what you need. A nice clean surface to burn. Alright, happy adventures, Sasquatch people. Look at that storm. Hope I don't take off my neighbors.